Are you looking for a spacious home in one of Redmond's most desirable neighborhoods? If so, I've got the home to tell you about today. Hi, I'm Tony Meyer with Windermere Real Estate. We're up on English Hill, and as the English Hill area's top broker for the last 17 years, I am pleased to present you another great home. We're in the Rosewood neighborhood, which is just a few blocks south of the award-winning Sunrise Elementary. And we're gonna be taking a look at a two-story home that's 4 bedrooms, 2 1/4 baths, 2,390 square feet on an over 9,700 square foot lot. Nice flat space, big deck to entertain with. The house itself has got some fabulous updates. We've got new carpet, updates in the bathrooms. Downstairs on the main floor, we've got refinished and fully expanded hardwood floors covering all the areas. Check out this beautiful kitchen, updated cabinets, countertops, stainless steel appliances. This is a fabulous home, and I know you're gonna love it.